Hey Art 3, I've got my bag and some of my contents, and these were particularly chosen. I chose my Portugal purse because that helps to show my heritage, and roosters are a good luck in our symbol of good luck in our culture. I have my journal and my friend's poetry book as well as my thesaurus because I fancy myself a writer and it's been a really important part of my life. I put my pencil and my pen in there because I write by hand. And I put some change in there as a symbol of my generosity because I actually, when I'm out and about and I see a homeless person, I typically go up to them and ask them if they'd like me to buy anything for them to eat. So I'm playing around with my composition and my camera. I am moving around to see what's gonna look good. I've moved the contents in the bag around a few times. I'm just gonna take some pictures to see what I like. So yeah, that's it. This is what you gotta do and play around with until you get something good. Oh, you gotta get 10 photos so we can choose.